In this video, I want to show you an example of using default parameters in Python functions. Okay, now let's create a code file. Let's say oh. Okay, let's get started. Again, in the very beginning, we write down this code. Okay, make sure the workers. Okay, that works. Now let's define another function. Let's say PAFUNC1. Okay, this is the situation. If I want to use some default values, I can do it by this way. Okay, so let's see if we give it, let's say, file, see which will we print. Okay, sorry, forget this column. Okay, we get a file, but if we give it nothing, okay, it will be 1. This is the default value. Okay, if we want, we can declare more than 1. Default parameters. Okay, say 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. And if we use 4, then it is used to match the first. If we use 28, 428. Okay, so it uses this. Of course, if you want, you can use 400. So no default value will be used since all parameters are assigned values. Okay, now we can also do this. We just leave the default value to this one, to the last two. So you see, if we just give 4, okay, so these two will use default value. Of course, we can also do this. We give the default value just to the last one. Let's say this one. But please note that you cannot set a default value by this way. No, you cannot do this. Okay, see, if this is a situation, if Python allows you to do this, then you specify 2 parameters value here. Python cannot figure out which parameter is 12. So Python has no way to understand it. So you can, again, you can declare the last one as the default. If you want, let's just try it first. You can see error. So you can declare the last parameter with default value, last two, last three, but you cannot drop, leave, let's say, like this. You drop, leave the second in the middle without default values, but the fourth and the third has. It can confuse in the Python interpreter. So you better leave all of them with default value, or just these two, or just the last one. Of course, if you want, you remove this. No default value is also okay. No. Okay, let's leave this version there. Now, let's talk about another case, which is very tricky. It's a PAFC2. Okay, this is A, this is B. But this time we declare a empty list. And what let's put a column there. What we will do is to add A to B and then print B. Okay, now let's use this one. PA. Let's say 1. What will we get? We get 1. Okay, because this is empty, we add a 1 to this. If we use 2, what will we get? Yes, we get printed a list with only one element, 2. But pay attention to this one. If I run 1 first, and then run 2, what will we see? Okay, the first time we still see 1. Very good. The second time, we see 1 and 2. Both of them are in the list. It's because when we put a 1 there, B is the default value of B is updated to this one. If you want, you can even see here. So please note that the default value can be updated since list is mutable or variant. So the default value can be changed. Okay, but please note that if you specify a value, let's say, okay, now after this line is done, what's the default value of B? It's not this one. Actually, it's still this one, since this is not the default value. Okay? If you don't believe it, let's test it. Okay, you can see, although we put it this way, 5 still follows 1, 2, 3. So this line doesn't change the default value. Okay? So I would like to say Python sometimes is very confusing. So you need to be very careful as for this kind of trick cases. Thank you.